Look at this thing right here. There's a company in Tennessee that rents out hot tub boats. Yes, you heard me right. Hot tub boats. This is a genius business idea, and they literally crush it. And they charge $100 per hour, as you can see here, to rent these out. You can buy these things for around $15K. Best part is there's so few businesses out there that offer these within the United States. You would definitely crush, especially if you're located in a high tourist area right on a big body of water. If you buy 4 of these and rent these out during the busy vacation season, there's no reason you can't make up to $2,000 per day, around $30,000 a month with this simple business. If you want to learn exactly how you can get started doing this, comment plan or go here.